Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 20. Quantum Leaps, Smart Machines, and Your Coffee. Made by Chris Morley of Lantern Light AI with Love and AI Magic in Boston on Friday, May 8, 2026 at 12:46 a.m. UTC. Scientists have pulled off a quantum link between Earth and the International Space Station, and researchers in Australia just cracked a major quantum computing barrier using silicon, bringing global quantum communication closer than ever. Meanwhile, Meta is opening a superintelligence lab in Menlo Park. Collaborative robots are changing how factories think about teamwork, and new research suggests your daily coffee habit may be doing more for you than just keeping you awake. First up, quantum sensing communication news from around the world. Voyager Space and IBM successfully demonstrated the first post-quantum secured communication link between Earth and the International Space Station, marking a significant milestone in space-based cybersecurity. The achievement showed that quantum-resistant encryption can protect data transmitted across the Earth-to-orbit channel. Separately, scientists earlier this year unveiled a new approach to quantum encryption drawing on a 200-year-old optical technique, which researchers say could make ultra-secure communication simpler and more efficient. Work from MIT has also proposed a new category of quantum states that can be produced with existing technology and may improve both the accuracy of quantum sensing and the reliability of quantum communication networks. Next, a major story from the world of research. Meta has opened a dedicated superintelligence lab at its headquarters in Menlo Park, California, marking a significant escalation in the company's artificial intelligence ambitions. The lab is focused on developing advanced AI systems that go beyond current large language models. The move comes as several major technology firms have ramped up investment in long-horizon AI research. Microsoft has also drawn attention this week for work on AI-powered diagnostic tools, while robotics teams demonstrated AI-driven systems capable of playing competitive football. The pace of investment across the sector signals growing confidence among tech leaders that transformative AI capabilities are closer than previously expected. Now, a top science and technology headline. Australian researchers have demonstrated that near-error-free quantum computing is achievable using silicon-based hardware, a significant step toward building practical quantum devices. The findings suggest that silicon, already the foundation of conventional computer chips, could serve as a viable platform for scaling quantum systems. This matters because reliable quantum hardware has long been held back by high error rates that make calculations unstable. Separately, Finnish firm IQM Quantum Computers announced a major upgrade to its quantum computing cloud platform earlier this year. Businesses and security experts continue to watch hardware progress closely, as more capable quantum machines could eventually challenge widely used encryption standards. Coming up, the latest in industrial collaborative robots. Industrial manufacturers are increasingly turning to collaborative robots, known as cobots, to automate production lines without halting existing operations. Experts from firms such as Casau Robots have been advising companies on how to introduce cobots gradually, reducing disruption to workflows that were never originally designed with automation in mind. The global cobot market continues to expand across manufacturing, logistics, and assembly sectors as costs fall and ease of deployment improves. Industry analysts say the key challenge remains not the technology itself, but helping human workers and robotic systems share space and tasks safely and efficiently. After that, one more story from the lab and the field. European and Canadian researchers are developing technology to fire quantum-coded messages across continents using satellites, laying the groundwork for what scientists describe as a fundamentally unhackable internet. Separately, a team achieved a significant milestone last December by building a room-temperature quantum communication device using twisted light from molybdenum diselenide to entangle photons and electrons, eliminating the need for complex supercooling systems. Earlier in 2025, Researchers also established a new theoretical basis for generating quantum states with potential uses ranging from mapping Earth's magnetic field to supporting astrophysical research. McKinsey's 2025 Quantum Technology Monitor identified sensing and communication as two of the field's principal growth areas. And finally, longevity anti-aging research from the wider world. Research from Texas A&M University has found that coffee may help protect against aging-related diseases, adding to a growing body of evidence connecting the drink to healthy aging. Scientists noted that up to 2 cups per day appears safe and potentially beneficial for most people, though the effects of higher consumption vary between individuals. The findings come as longevity researchers worldwide push for more clinical trials targeting the aging process itself. Prominent aging scientist Nir Barzilai has been urging regulators, including the United States Food and Drug Administration, to formally recognize aging as a medical target worth treating directly.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech and AI news coming soon. Hit like, subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks for watching.